Prominent Kenyan politician and former Justice Minister Martha Karua has been named the head of the legal defense team for Ugandan opposition leader Dr. Kizza Besigye. The team is representing Besigye in his ongoing trial before the General Court-Martial in Makindye, Kampala. The announcement was made by Kampala Lord Mayor Arias Lukwago, who previously led the defense. During a press briefing, Lukwago revealed that over 50 lawyers from Kenya and Uganda have been assembled to defend Besigye and his co-accused, Haj Obaid Lutali. This robust legal team includes representatives from renowned organizations such as the Pan-African Lawyers Union, PALU, and the International Commission of Jurists, ICJ. Besigye and Lutali face charges of illegal firearm possession and security-related offenses, allegations widely regarded as politically motivated. Speaking about the defense team, Lukwago expressed confidence in their ability to secure justice. "This team is a demonstration of our commitment to justice," Lukwago stated. Hana Martha Karua has graciously agreed to lead this team, and her extensive legal expertise will be invaluable in this fight against what we believe are politically motivated charges. The team is currently navigating the administrative requirements for Karua and other Kenyan lawyers to participate in Uganda's legal proceedings. According to the Ugandan Advocates Act, temporary practicing certificates are required. Lukwago assured reporters that the process should be straightforward, given Kenya's membership in the East African Community and the Commonwealth. "We've already submitted Karua's application and are confident it will be finalized swiftly. For now, the legal team will be attached to Lukwago and company advocates to ensure seamless collaboration between Ugandan and Kenyan lawyers," he added. Dr. Besigye and Haj Lutali were apprehended on November 16th in Nairobi, where Besigye had attended the launch of Karua's book, Against the Tide. Days later, they were transferred to Uganda, appearing before the General Court-Martial on charges of possessing 2 pistols and 8 rounds of ammunition. The two have been in custody since November 20th and are set to appear in court again on December 2nd. Their arrests have sparked widespread criticism from Ugandan opposition leaders and activists who view the charges as part of a broader effort to silence dissent. Besigye, a 4-time presidential candidate and staunch critic of the Ugandan government, has drawn significant international attention over his trial. Many observers argue that the charges are politically driven, underscoring concerns about the suppression of opposition voices in Uganda. Martha Karua's involvement in this high-profile case not only elevates its visibility, but also highlights the importance of regional solidarity in defending democracy and human rights. Karua's extensive legal experience and political stature position her as a formidable advocate in a case that has significant implications for freedom of expression and opposition politics in Uganda. The case also underscores the enduring challenges of political repression in East Africa. The General Court-Martial's involvement in trying civilians raises concerns about the erosion of judicial independence and fair trial standards. The collaboration between Ugandan and Kenyan lawyers is a testament to the shared commitment to justice within the region. However, it also emphasizes the need for stronger mechanisms to protect political activists and ensure that cross-border legal cooperation is not exploited for politically motivated prosecutions. As the trial unfolds, it will serve as a litmus test for Uganda's commitment to upholding justice and human rights. Regional and international observers must maintain pressure on the Ugandan government to ensure that the proceedings are fair, transparent, and free from political interference.